Hello again everyone, Truck CB Sales here with a tune-up report for Brian in Tennessee on his Connex 4600 Turbo. Brian got it ready to go for you. Max mod upgrade with Shea Final upgrade. We put the amp on off switch in the back per your request, and also we took the PA jack and rewired it so that you can run your external RF or your external watt meter that you have. Okay, let's get right to it. RF power all the way down. 100 watt slug, about 5 watts, about 45 all the way up. I'm going to show you average power swing first. Low, about 80, 82. Peak power, 250 watt slug. Oh, 250 just over in the corner. These two HG 2290s inside are doing their thing. I hope you enjoy it, Brian, from your friend Truck at truckcbsales@gmail.com. Bump, bump.